Hello my friends, Rotordil here, and today I'm with a quite unique product. As you can see here, I'm with an automatic vacuum sealer machine. This is basically one of the most interesting products I've been reviewing recently, and I just want to show you what it can do. This is basically my mouse that I use with my computer, and using this vacuum sealer, I actually managed to put it in a bag that doesn't contain any air, bacteria, whatever, and this is also waterproof. So I can just put everything I want, electronic equipment for example, and then just throw them outside. And they will basically be invulnerable to all of the things that can happen, for example, like I mentioned, dust or water problems. So for me, this is the main reason for getting this product. I'm just going to show you the product today, and as you can see now, this is basically me putting the bag and the mouse inside. And while I'm doing that, I'm also gonna put it in the machine itself. This is the automatic vacuum sealer. And the vacuum sealer itself has many buttons, around 4 buttons, but in the end, you only need one to use it on, for example, in situations like this. Once you click on the button to start the vacuum seal, it's an automatic process. The machine itself automatically vacuums the bag and reduces all the air to 0. And then it actually closes the bag itself. So in the end, you can actually get, in around 10 seconds, a vacuum sealed bag in your house. And then you can obviously just store it for whatever reason you want. So let's just look at the machine itself. As you can see, these are the 4 buttons. You can change the temperature on it. I actually think that the default one, which is level 3, is great, and it's actually been, it's reduced the air to a minimum here. I cannot even press the mouse button. As you can see here, it's locked because the machine took out all the air and actually pressed down on the button. This just shows you that the vacuum here works great. And by the way, I haven't mentioned that yet, but if you are for the first time on this channel, you might want to click on this red subscribe button down below. If you are watching this on a mobile device, tilt your phone and then click on that button, because then you will be able to watch my next videos, which are of other cool gadgets, and you definitely want to see those. So let's go back to the vacuum sealer. If I open it up, as you can see, this part is the vacuum itself, and this part is where basically the sealing is happening. And you don't want to use the product, you don't want to actually touch this part in around 7 minutes after its procedure, because it's going to be very hot. We also get the dual handles here on the sides. When clicking on them, you can basically turn, you can close the top part or open it. And you also get tons of bags. I'm just going to show you this, which you can use. You get many, around 10 I think, or 20 bags overall here, and you get a small bag and a big bag. And also I'm putting in the description below links to where you can get more bags like these that you can basically use if you finished these bags. And I think the quality of these bags is amazing, because if you can see here, when I close down this product, I can actually open the bag without using scissors. It also has this part over here, which I can just tear out, and then the bag will be basically unlocked or open, and all the air will go in, obviously. So when do you want to use a product like this? First of all, for food products, if you want to store your fresh fish, for example, and if you bought a fresh fish, maybe it came sealed already. You want to use part of the fish, you want to get it back into a sealing or a sealed bag, that's a perfect machine for you. If you are like me and you hate dust, you hate products get dirty over time if you don't use them, or if you want to store them in an area that you have lots of, it's not a sealed area like my garage outside, you basically want to use a sealed bag just like this bag over here, and that's basically what I'm going to do with all my electronics that I store around for many years. So all in all, an amazing product. I think the price is also very good, so definitely check down the description below for more information about it. I had really good experiences with it, and like I mentioned, most of my electronics are going to go into sealed bags and into my garage, which is basically non-waterproof, and I have a lot of leakages around there, so my products are going to be safe. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you on our next videos. And I'm also putting 2 videos over here for you to watch. These are 2 interesting gadgets that I also reviewed on the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on this button over here to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.